All right, guys, I'm going to show you how to open up an inside bathroom or bedroom door with a butter knife. So you may need to do this for, say, like there's like a young child that gets locked in a room. Someone has locked the door, they've fallen. You need to get in there. This is what the outside of the door looks like. And then this is the inside portion. Now in this one, it has the turn type where you lock it and then that unlocks it. This will also work if it's just a pop-out lock. So if you push it in and then to unlock it, you just turn the door and it pops out. So what you do is, this is just a regular butter knife. So you just put this in the hole here and you're going to turn it. So we'll go ahead and lock the door. So this is the lock position. We'll go ahead and put this in the hole and we'll turn it. And now it's unlocked. I'm going to show you this side. So that's locked. So let's go ahead and put the butter knife in here. And we'll turn it. And there you go. Now it's unlocked. And when you do this, and if it's a pop out lock, it'll just pop and unlock. So I hope that helps, guys, to help unlock an inside bathroom or bedroom door with the butter knife.